Hi friends, this is Nageshwam. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to use field set and legend element in HTML. In my previous tutorial, I have created few fields like number of tickets, select your favorite package, and enter the day you want to travel and number of days in my travel website. Now I will use field set and legend elements for styling around these fields. Open web page using Notepad++. Fieldset tag is used to group related elements in a form and it draws a box around the related elements. Please add fieldset tag and we need to enter the closing tag for fieldset. Here I want to create a field for visitor's name. Please type input space type equal to text, add some space, save the HTML, come to web page, reload it. We got a box around these fields and I want to add a caption inside this box. For that, come to HTML and we will use legend element which defines a caption for the field set element. Please type legend, book your ticket space and please add closing tag for legend. Save the HTML, come to web page, reload, and here we got caption for field set element and added a nice style to our form. Like this, we can use field set and legend elements in HTML. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.